Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the gear shifter in the Auto VE SS. You can see here my one's quite worn and damaged, so we're going to upgrade to this one. So yeah, these were an optional extra in the VE Commodores, the HSVI variants. You can also get these in the steering wheel as well, but what I like about it is it's red and it has the chrome bit on it, so we're going to show you how to change it. So the first thing you're going to need is a really thin screwdriver, flathead. You bring the camera around here. So yeah, you want to get it right behind there and pry that out. Do the same for the other side, like that. Put that somewhere. Now you want to get a Phillips head screwdriver. There's one little screw behind here that you have to try and get into. It's very tricky to get. I can't even feel where it is. Out. So the final step is to get this little clip out. So you just get your flathead. Keep that, do not get rid of that, because you might need to use it for the new one. Now you just pull up on this one. And it comes out just like that. So this is like a better illustration of how to take this apart. You get this underneath there, carefully pull that up. Oh, went back in, like that. Easy. Then there's that screw I was telling you about. So this one came with a little pin in it. So what we have to do is get this one out too. Do not get rid of this pin because you will need it. Okay, slide it down. Oh, screw fell out. Okay. Now you put this silver plastic bit back on. You put this back in there. Okay, so now we're going to put the red part on. Okay, now to the final step is put the button on.
You have an audience.
Very easy.
All time.
Thanks for watching.